Hey friends, I'm making Tim and I some recovery protein Frosties. And these are yum-alicious. And if you're familiar, my husband loves his ice cream. So I've gotten him away from ice cream. We do have nice cream recipes, but you can also make your protein shake feel like ice cream by just adding a lot more ice to it. So I've already got my Schofit Nutrition chocolate protein powder in here. We're using whey today. We do have vegan as well. 18 amino acids. Remember, all protein powders are not good. I can't even think of another word for it. We created our products because we knew about all the garbage out there. And so we wanted to be sure what we're ingesting, what our clients are ingesting is quality. And that's what we have here. And then, so what are we making today? We're making Moostracks. So a couple tablespoons of peanut butter. If you're watching your weight, if you're still trying to lose, you might want to do a tablespoon of peanut butter. We're doing a couple. And then we're going to add some flaxseed because flaxseed is just so healthy for you. You should be eating it daily. I put a scoop in my breakfast. I put a scoop in my protein shakes. Super, super, super good for you. Great source of fiber. And then what are we gonna do? We're gonna put lots of ice. And I need to grab my non-dairy milk. I'm gonna blend these puppies and then we're gonna throw something else in here. Be right back. Alrighty, so we used non-dairy milk and we made them pretty thick. You can use a spoon or wait a second and they'll melt pretty quick and you can just drink it. But what's missing? Some cacao chips. You wanna get 70% and you wanna get a good quality. These only have 3 ingredients. And to keep it blood sugar friendly for me, my diabetic friends, we're gonna do about a tablespoon, throwing in about 7 pieces. So it adds some crunchy, makes it a little more like a treat. My husband doesn't watch his blood sugar, doesn't have to, and so he can have a little bit more in his, and that is how we make our own Moostracks. Yummo.